17. First question. Write the measures of the supplementary of the angles given below. Here some angles are given. You find out the measurement of supplementary angle. First angle is 15 degree. Let the supplementary angle is P degree. We are considering the supplementary angle P. You know the sum of the measures of the supplementary angle is 180. Measures of two supplementary angle is 180. In that one angle is given 50 degree and second angle we consider as P. Means what is our equation? 15 plus P is equal to 180. Now P as it is equal to 180. Now here 15 is plus, opposite to equal sign, that is minus. 180 minus 15 means how much? Means P is equal to 165 degree. P is equals to 165 degree. Means therefore the measure of the supplement of an angle of 15 degree is 165 degree. You write down the answer in full sentence. Now second, 85 degree. You write down all this sentence. I am not writing, but you write down all this sentence for solution of all the questions. I am writing the equation directly. One angle is given 85 degree. 85. Second angle we are considering P is equal to 180 degree. Now P is equal to 180. 85 is here plus. Opposite to equal to sign will get minus 85. Therefore P is equal to 180 minus 85 is 95 degree. This is our answer. Now next example, 120 degree. 120 plus P is equal to 180. Therefore P is equal to 180 minus 120 means P is equal to 60 degree. P is equals to 60 degree. Fourth, 37 plus P is equal to 180. P is equal to 180 minus 37. Subtraction is 143. Therefore, the measures of the supplement of an angle 37 degree is 143 degree. Next, 108 degree. 108 plus P is equal to 180. P is equal to 180 minus 108. Subtraction is 72. Therefore, the measures of the supplement of an angle of 108 degrees 72 degree. Now next, 0 degree angle. Then what is our equation? 0 plus P is equal to 180. Therefore, P is equal to 180 minus 0. How much? 180 minus 0, 180. Answer is 180. 8 degree. Our equation is 8 degree plus, we are considering supplementary angle is P is equal to 180. This P is equal to 180 minus A. This is our final answer. P is equal to 180 minus A. Now question number 2. The measures of some angles are given below. Make them two pair of complementary and supplementary angles. See here 8 angles are given, and in that 8 angles you find the complementary and supplementary angle. All of you know the addition of complementary angle is 90 degree and addition of supplementary angle is 180 degree. pairs of complementary angles addition is 180 and supplementary addition 180 and complementary addition is 90 degree. Now see here pairs are, see first is B, 60 degree, 60, see 60 plus 30, 90 degree, means this is our first pair, angle B and angle N. Measure angle B and measure angle N. We want addition 90 degree, okay, means see here Y is 90 and E is 0, 90 plus 0 is 90, means again measure angle Y and measure angle E, this is one pair. Measure angle E. Now again see this is measure angle D is 75 and measure angle F is 15. 75 plus 15 is also 90, means this is also one pair, measure angle D and measure angle F. See here only 3 pairs of complementary angle. Now supplementary. Addition of supplementary angle is 180. See suppose we are taking angle B is 60 degree. 60 plus angle G is 120 degree, means 60 plus 120 is 180, means this is one pair B and G. G, this is one pair, and see here measure angle J and measure angle N, 150 plus 30 is 180. Measure angle N and measure angle J. Here only 2 pairs are there for supplementary angle. Question number 3. In triangle XYZ, angle Y is 90 degree. What kind of a pair do angle X and angle Z mix? Now see this is our triangle XYZ, in that Y is 90 degree angle. In triangle XYZ we know that the addition of angle is 180, means angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is equal to 180. Angle X plus angle Y is given 90 degree plus angle Z is equal to 180 degree. 90 is equal to, this angle X plus angle Z is equal to 180 minus 90. 180 minus 90, subtraction is 90 degree. Means addition of angle X and angle Z is 90 degree. 90 degree means which angle? Complementary angle. Means therefore angle X and angle Z are complementary angle. Are complementary angle. Why complementary angle? Because the addition of two angle is 90 degree. That's why these are the complementary angle.